Mre mi chacha baby awo bia na me adom Elohim adaromanti yeda so ti ase unya live telecast ya no ahye ama me why na bibia ya kama me chacha munye na oh my goodness. And there Sunday on the 9th of March, 2025. Bomodin na share live telecast yi mami. Bomodin na share mami. Bomodin na share mami. Steven Nado. Benizo hini techi. Mon share mami, mon share mami, mon share mami. Mon share mami na we have a lot to discuss tonight. Bishop Belinda Brown, Michiaos of Mami, Bibia Wakode Amajima, Reverend Joseph Jima, Kunadu Mary, Koliko Joe, Panda Multimedia, Jamestown, wow. Samuel, Samuel, Bashiru, Fayau, Michiao, Nanaji, Michiam Elizabeth Odro, Kodapi Asante, Stobite, Jennifer Piasante, Lord Mensaluga, Iva Dubuahin, Kwame Apiasalas. Greetings to you all. Enyumre Michiamo, and then the bidding come out 40 minutes penny upon. So, Dr. Odro, Henry Glover, me pacho. Mechiao Benizadunya Mami Equia Beauty at saying Powerhouse Chapel International. Yes, sir. Mechiao baby will be asofu. Patrick Ahin, Mechiao Panda Online, Mechiao Asantua Buajo, Mechiao Shena, Mechiao Mina, Mechiao. Mary Adujemfi, Lily, Michiamunina, share the link for me. Edin komo kitwe bina and then me pesa mua mubusa me question. I was teaching you nioma bebre, me teaching you a lot. I've taught you people a lot of things. For the past 2 months now, I've taught you people a lot of things. So with what I've taught you people, I want you to take a question out of it, and then you ask me with it, right? So, but me no didn't come to after me come no yediwia now question be a will be na what to amame, right? Amajimai says the US people keeps on changing time, yeah. Gladys and Bruce, he says, Papa, you didn't greet me. Why? Oh, I'm very sorry. I didn't see you. If I saw your mess, I would have greeted you, right? Sorry. Okay, now Kwakusia Sewa, Michiamunina in rain. Amankwa. I say, good evening, Papa. It's me, Amajiwa. Amajiwa Beya. Amajiwa Beya. Cheche Mimwe. Eddie Como, and the fact, if you understand what I'm saying. Eddie Como. And I Chinchinche, Ivy Brown, Eric Manfo, Paul Suman. Or Simic, Papa, you told us about Aquanche. Aquanche, no. Mobile. Said, I must see OPATAFUOR them in your court. Rahel Asamoah, Esawara, say OPATAFUOR I'm the greatest grandmaster of all time, right? That's how you people perceive me. Well, anyhow you describe me, I really accept it. If you see me to be a grandmaster, I really appreciate it. An occultist, I really appreciate it. Whatever title or how you see me, Praise to Yahweh, right? The greatest grandmaster. Now, me no di nkomo bi we are saying no nyameke we are saying it's something else. Now, me show the way on my wiase. Ya grace me patro me chiao. On my design wiase to say oba ye kwaje na ware. Na yesiesie no na ye de na babadwum. Se oba no be ma na okwaje na ware no. So obetimi ehu oba na nim. Ni wahu said your oba no no hu fesiti a. Jese obie lazy na kata na nim no. Ansa de wahu oba no ho fe. Tienio me sek e fa bi. Sisi e wiase ya ye we. Wiase ye Kodwapi Asante, thank you very much. I really appreciate your love, your kindness and support. He says we really like you, whatever you are. I really appreciate it. Some of them, they see me as a grandmaster, a grand grimoire, the biggest grandmaster alive. Let me continue. It has been designed in such a way, say, or my to say, oba oberima atu anamo ekwoje na ware. Na yesiesie oba no ho edina begina bedwum. Se bema ne betimi ahu oba na wakwoje na ware no, sede ne hu fesiti a, eni sede oba ne tie a, agi se bedwum ho no. Obobo na nim lazy ne yi. Ansa na wo oba na nim. Saa na omaye wiase. Saa na omaye secret society no omaye wiase. Enti ewiase yi no eye oba wo a wo hwemi no wo koje na ware. Enti so obetimi ehu ewiase pa yi a adi se veil na ye de akata wani no. Adi se otimi yi veil no ansa na watimi ehu de ekoso wiase. Anya saa ho wani tua papa enso be kasa ye bone. Anya saa ubedi obi achi na nipa na fulu betan ubedi sofu bi achi wadwene ye wo se we de enyame fita na sofu na fulu saa no ma ye wiase. Saa na secret society ne te say Illuminati for Freemason for Doreen Breford say tieni sana Freemason for aye wiase. Oma decode or oma encode wiase. They have encoded the world. And to say obi ubetimi ati wiase ase ni wa hunu kwan akwa agise uhia obi a obetimi decode wiase na kyerew no wa kyerew se de wiase siko anya sa baby a edom no ene dodo ne nam o moko ehwa na so be copy because uni option adentia eya na enipa bebra adwene o mo say bonsam de oti baby ana Lucifer oti baby Lucifer na amuhu ni sa no o baby a na okinkai Matthew chapter 4 abra Satan saw Yahushua ansano ode no kogina asore dan atifi eti asore dan atifi na Satan edi Yesu call hon, which means asore dem ho Satan otiwobi. Gifty so Papa, how are you doing? It's been a long time. Gifty. Okay. Tienio asore dan atifi na Satan de eye Yesu kogina en it shows say I saw them otiwobi osa kire Yesu or the wiase ahini kire no prekope. It shows say Satan or Lucifer rules and controls the world, and Lucifer and Queen of Heaven is the main power behind these world authorities and power in terms of religious affairs, political affairs, and these traditional things. Because baby could be Lucifer for baby on the Queen of Heaven. Oba traditions more. Munina. And yet no, every titi. Even Abraham papa mpuno e konfubema. Abraham ya na Abraham ya ubia ya ko Abraham kukum o papa owo no last minute obewu no e konfu obema konfu anu okom ha Laban e Jacob ni wofa ni wofa Laban no e konfu anu osom bosom bosom no ade anu odi e ma menses na bosom ni di menses tienio odi mam enti abosom som no tradition na ya omo kawe ya amamre we dia ya amamre ya nananom ya ntontwene no saa ne oma no efritete ena Jacob tumfo abohu dawura abo but still enti uko ahenie mu a ye nananom ahemfo a menkasa ahemfo ni nyina na ye evil, but over 98% omu nyina omu ni Jacob tumfo ni twaka omu gu omu nsa efro omu abosom because akonya bia ni ho a wo Ghana ha abosom ntare ho oboada na Jacob tumfo so na woni bosom ani nye nan akonya bia wo Ghana ha bia eya kanfo akonya nzemanfo akonya abonfo akonya anwonafo akonya akuapem achem enkranfo guans Ghana ha nyinara omo kuta bosom kese pa ya guans Ghana ha bosom a oye kese pa odin wo Africa nyinara eye guanfo ni kuta wo enye siremfo enye anwonafo eye guans ye freno brukum saa bosom no owo hyiare saa bosom no eye guanfo na te ne ho saa bosom no na ne dehye ne krate dente nente saa bosom na wo akuapem na uyi saa guanfo ni firi ho nanka omo ma bin wo Ghana ha uyi guanfo firi ho nanka akuapemfo na wo, but akuapemfo no ye mistake ana omo bosom ni firi wo nsa ena wasa akoka eye guansfo no ho saa no dente nente no saa bosom no akoka guansfo enti akonya bia ni ho wo asantemamu a ohini bi teso a bosom nka ho owura ye nsori yimu a asori ben na wo ho no mu a asori ben na wo ho eye very popular o say bosom nka ho asori ben ya show me asori ben malama wati masarachi imam wati masarachi ohwa hwehwem oba nuam okanche otro slate so saa ne na wo ye ne Jacob tumfo na se wonye ono ana akwaji ne tumi ni nsuman ebi yusu ade ye friend say genius omu ebi yusu ade ye friend genie one day menya time no ma kyerɛkyerɛw ebi yusu ade ye friend genius any tumi di akese enti ewiase no okọ political leaders ewiase politician bi en okọ asori you know it. There is no politician bi okọ asori eye masses no ma fulimu ena o ma chichiri mu nyina aduma kogu ba bi faako enti so mo pe akonya na se ya amamo ho ebe te se ase monto abane ma wo mo, but politician bi en okọ asori, I'm telling you. Politician bien ni okwa asori. Politician bien ni okwa asori. Nina a cover up. They will come out, quote quotations, the past government or then executives, the ministers, Munina Messins, the only Messi Mua, or when I be a shed them or poor libation. You know, I'm not the one to tell you all these things. You know it. You know it. You know it. And all these things, to me, dear, different, actually. And some are so far, almost so epic to me, dear. Etimia did dom so a control nipa. I mean, the purple do machi. One have visited the land of Benin. One have visited the land of Togo. One have Omoko Sirim Omomako Volta region. One more Mako Nigeria. Omako Pebosom. Then Yabesha Omon Parsi. But they pretend to carry the Bible. They have all these witch doctors and zangomers who are behind their altars. They go into hidings and you think they are waiting in the presence of God for God to revive and renew their strength spiritually. But that is not a fact. They go to their secret grandmasters, their witch doctors and zangomers, for them to prepare them. This is what is happening. A system. A system. Now, now we are mobile. Wow, we are mobile because say obi basu obejiwa. You see, you push the person away, having the perception say this is the narrative that people have taken. So you also initiate the same narratives. But what people are doing secretly, you are not doing it. People are killing. People are killing people. The world political leaders are banned. Ghana, me OPATAFUOR me say Ghana. Untimi rise to prominence. Emma ye penyini a udi o man so. Say we IGP, we police commander, we deben. We say you rose to that prominence in the name of Jesus. A total lies. Mechanical there was sensitive position be ewo Ghana ha untimi medibida to say president to say obey finance minister, say obey Bank of Ghana governor, say what be there sa position untimi nyebida yemfa Kristo ana tutuo baako Holy Ghost fire me pata yemfa ndi sa position no omukro mo ntwema a very delicate and a sensitive position. Among that position is being shared among themselves. Those secret society, their members, the Freemasons, the Skull and Bones, and the Illuminatis, and those people, they share among themselves. And see, two options. It's either you join them or you bet now, baby. Because Freemason intimate trust society now on chima umfa yesu to bako emobo Holy Ghost fire tan now they are being so they will never do it. In the history of Ghana, President bako pen the baswa or yeah na gonna say or fight to na the omo here no any real way. President Rawlings when you ni baby quick. Sa president when a 2C was say obe fight secret society for wo ho dey check it on the bubu lodge for so dan na bro 2 kwan ko America o 2 kwan ko UK omo yire ne pampi se wo mra no mesi secret lodge for so dan back anya say sika na open omo mfa mane da and the majority of the name ye dey say Rollins bebrebe no though Minkase Rollins or perfect. He did things wrong. I know. He did things wrong. But the major reasons because Rollins was fighting the secret societies. And they had to devise a strategy and go behind and work behind scenes in the year 2000, 2000s, when pregnant women were dying on the streets just like that. They level all these accusations against ex-president Rawlings. Say only before God the man. Now a secret societies be and a distance just to bring the image of that guy down. And you see, in reality, media more mobile, and GD for no more now, Muslim year Christopher no more. I'm whom I'm where me mobile per year. If you say, Mono Yayamo say, oh, secret society for no, or what the moon actually at the market trap in Sueja. Oh, and now my beer in Suena to me as a moon jarret na moon chamra. Hey, eno net to say, Bibiaboko, oh, dear, I am. Sani I am more a GD na more reason. Yet the more jarry a cocha in Su, and yet the more good Sueja. And ya can't never say Momra. And tis a usiso. Now I'm be joining society now. Ombe quit yausa, point yausa. Why not careful, kum, smanipa, and be assassinate you secretly. They will kill you. Don't me cool no more. A homa so corn no more jawadia chairs. Oh, no, wash your one comfort. Or much miss money pama able kum secretly. You more mudi no because you are not part of them. You are not part of them. You are not part of them. Mimi to be or my hamesa. And tina mean the agro trespassing animative. Because Mimi say, me ye list mistake on Benyamin. We ye list mistake. And to be Benya. Me man strict instructions. So me man instructions. Now I'm far. No me delete you. We ya me demi ma mama chain. Into me two way. Me maame bi mama nkyɛn, me maame nua bi mama nkyɛn, me nua bi mama nkyɛn. Ɛyɛ instructions nyame de ama me life no me ba kura wontimi meme because omhu sɛ me ba no a ahwe ombetimi akennap you, ombetimi omhu sɛ me nua no ombetimi ahaw, ombetimi akum, ombetimi ayo bibia because me role na me play no. This is the danger that I've put myself into it. It is not easy for me, but I weep for you people because what is happening, you don't know anything. They control everything. It's the secret society. Majority of the pastors, you see them on TVs and radio stations, they are part of them. Nigeria, Uganda, Zimbabwe, Afghanistan, tell me, United States, America, tell me Germany, UK, they are part of them. They have pretended that they are not part of them, but these people are part of them. They are all secret, they are part, they have joined hands with the society, the secret society, and they are controlling the world. Now, they have a lot of monuments built in their name, in glorification to whatever spirit that they are serving. 90% on the mainstream are part of it. 90% on the mainstream are part of it. And the enye easy, sir. Me in particular. How am I having enye easy? The reason why I am short and I can't do things. I am limited within certain confines. And yes, I say my kafako. Because what when you say ya and they don't want you people to discover the truth. Busa Mr. Osei, Bisa Ushia, Mr. Osei, more money ye free no. Mo one number, ya Musa Mr. Osei. Say Mr. Osei, Eshia me foforo no. Adia Busan said, dear na Freemason for any ABDN. Freemason fo bi volunteer ka kyerɛ ne sɛ onja ma chiridie na o medjoin ne omo. So person onyini che na obɔ bra na si ne yie dia, you should come and join them and leave me. And sana Mr. Say eba be boma manie and sana mi tunufu chiche ne re kyerɛ ne sɛ onyankopɔn so hyira ma ne yie na die ntia a Christopher bebre abɔ asesa no ɛyɛ saa secret society no ɔmo na cast spell ɛde ato ɔmo so because ɔmo adwene yɛ ɔmo sɛ ɔmo sum nyame bi ɔte aseɛ but ɛyɛ calendar ɛna ɔmo build de ama ɔmo keka ɔmo secret society nim sɛ tumi bi anim ɛno nti na ɔmo entimi nye yie no ansa na me explain enioma me explain enioma ɛde akyerɛ na ansa na ɔte aseɛ nso a ɔba bɛdi machi no ɛnɛ do nyame ahyira no nanso so obi ampa n'anim ahwɛ ne namfofoɔ nyina obi adelete no because we'll come and join the secret society. He said no, you don't want to come and join us, go. And easy for me. Easy for me. Sometimes me say me tre mashi me bi oha bi kuresika o ese ni kuresika mi kuresika kope advert abo mi kuresika e kope advert abo mi ko radio stations mi ko TV stations mi aminim se ejina o na so say me pe airtime dey preach akanyame asem obutimi ka kire me say omo ma me airtime me kai radio station ba ko pe ena Mr. Say call ya omo ka kire me say okay ombeba me airtime nanso so mintimi me preach say dey me preach no me ba me preach normal na me ma omo ntiase say they should believe God will do it. They say like the way I saw for preaching, no, shout yeah. That was the instructions they gave it to Mr. Say to come and tell me if only I want airtime and the crown ain't easy. All the reputable TV stations in Ghana, they never accepted me. And so I saw other men of God preaching on TV stations. So I decided, say, let me open my own TV station. Me be me ankasa me TV station. Me ankasa me TV station. One na hu no Ghana. Ko hwe ensem bi ni amane bi o mo de kekere me. Ya edum TV station ansana me fa akire. Me ye enquiries. Top secret society bi o mo na share akire. So omo krepo me channel asofo bi a omo join secret society a omo krepo me channel say the way a guy wait here no or reveal secrets too much to more cutting a short and the dream maybe a minia a dream maybe a no kra na maka kire no de ye pen onya no na yenya but we me kura ya dey say yes me ye poor who sponsors am wo me kura cash me pay airtime share me wie ye na me si mamen ko bloggers say TV stations ni ade no mo njemi a ma contact bloggers and channels omu gina so more than 50 channels. Sorry, we can't help you. Sorry, we can't post your videos. We can't. Adentia, because bloggers, almost into secret society. Into secret society. Blogger bi original subiana. Or ya tough blogger bian ka who say or shesik grandmaster bi nasi e Ghana ha. Me kind of crane the actual. Enti dienti busa ho se wo ankasa ogina hoyi busa ho se dienti na wotie me keke wotie me preaching keke adenti na nipa tan wo mo mpe wasa preaching obi preach bi sabi ɔkɔmfoɔ kora tim betena TV so ne radio so ɛkeka nsɛm mu no ɛnso so onya nipa mo mu tie wɔn na adan na nko a obetie ɔpatafoɔ nko ade a wo yɛmpɛ w'asɛm yɛmpɛ wo din kora tie abusua no efiefoɔ kora nya wankom besi w'aboɔ no makum ɛde ntia ɔpatafoɔ na wotie ne kekenti no wabɛyɛ evil they see you as a demon they see you as what as yourself adenti na ɔmo yɛsa da bɛn na mabɛtena ha aka kyerɛ obi sɛ twese kan fa koku obi da bɛn na maka kyerɛ sɛ fatuo kɔbɔ obi da bɛn na maka sɛ kɔhwie obi adeɛ da bɛn na maka kyerɛ wo sɛ kɔ disrespect obi ana kɔdidi obi atem me ba bɛtena ha mitufo me bɛtena ha mitufo me yi aten deɛ nye me ka kyerɛ sɛ nye deɛ yɛ so me ka kyerɛ sɛ yɛ me nkasa na adenti na nka ɔsɔfo obi a ka bi me nko a me kɔka bi a yɛsi hey wo a wotie me kura no onipa town sister me ntwa ntra nkyerɛ wo ebeduru mere bi no wonte me nka bi me ka no kora kyerɛ every next year 1st January 2026 wonte me nka bi me kanya me so no kora pa kyerɛ 1st January 2026 wonte me nka bi te say menya time a me ne udi nkomo frequently me can eni amade kyerɛ wo maybe so sometimes see me trawa you ask yourself the people you are fighting for, are they worth it? Can they also sacrifice for you? I am stuck at one place because they have given me an ultimatum. It's either you behave or tow on the same lane that we are touring, or you become our enemy. Now, let me show you something. 2 Corinthians chapter 4. 2 Corinthians chapter 4, verse number 4. Second Corinthians chapter 4, verse number 4. Let me read the English version. It says, in whom the God of this world had blinded the minds of them which believe not, lest the light of the glorious gospel of Christ, who is the image of God, should shine unto them. For we preach not ourselves, but Christ Jesus the Lord, and ourselves your servants for Jesus' sake. Go and read it. When you get time, read it yourself. Say with an intention, say this set of people where they we don't want them. We don't want them. And Timon, imagine a dome to do. And you see, the secret society, they control all aspects of life, every manner of life. They control it. Majority of our leaders, they control them. They control it. And the secret society, they control kingdoms. They control kingdoms. They control kingdoms. Especially the Freemasons, Illuminati, and the Skull and Bones. They control kingdoms. Imagine the whole Ashanti kingdom is being controlled by Freemason. The whole Ashanti kingdom. The most two powerful men who are leading the Ashantis. Listen to me. The two most powerful men who are leading the Ashantis. All these two men happens to be a member of the Freemasons, and they are all grandmasters, and one is even above a grandmastership level. asante ye kasa asante ahenie ni nyina no ehye freemason fo ase obi beka say ede na opatafoɔ kekai ma me nkyerɛ wade di odi asante omo di asante animu no omo ye nipa tu akɛsefoɔ mienu omo di asante animu owiase nyina no omo ye nipa tu omo nyina so ye freemason fo na bɛyɛ den na omo brotherhood no aka bibi a kyerɛ omo say ne yɛpɛ mo ye wobɛka say me de menye adentia ye fa the political aspect ɛnyɛ yɛwura Kufuor President Kufuor so ye second to the Grand Warden of United Grand Lodge of UK UK for omo Grand Warden no the second in command the case will be a Grand Warden or bro Grand Master so the second in command President Kufuor when and the war asante ahenie mu a politically or power essence ex-president Kufuor nobody yeba ahenie mu a manhia nyina freemason fo na manhia ye manhia o omo no omo di omo sika a support kotokohene because kotokohene ye omo member enti me ka say Asante kingdom na kingdom ni controlled by freemasons uko UK UK ahimie aye kesi nyina freemason for the control. The UK kingdom is being controlled by the freemasons. The Otisus is here or a freemason or a under freemasons. And Asante aye powerful nyina it's because of the freemasons. The American what yase. Ave what yase. Asante nyina na e freemason fo. Ave sister what yase. Freemason fo ya so no. Omo na atwero Bible e dia mamo. Ena mo a Christopher no mo di freemason fo atama di omo ye bonsam omo no moja omo ye say mi hu ana mesere Bible na e da ofie ho no good news no NIV no King James no freemason fo na twero ye na sabio ye chirikoko a ye di ni ma enam a ye chiri no ye de ye se eche mi busao enti me kyerɛw sɛ bibia wa asase so ha bia education religion tradition bibia engineering kora de enkoho ye ka skyscrapers any dan akɛse wo wiase a freemason fo na esi Kristo ni wuntimi nsibi ye di Yesu skyscraper tutuo ba ko pay ye di skyscraper me bizao tutuo ba ko ye di skyscraper freemason for na power authority or the control wiase or the adwene chichiri wiase. And you people, you the religious people, you are under the control of the Masons. You can like it or you can disprove it. Everything is being controlled by them. Everything is being controlled by them. Edi minia eya na ye mareho if you say munim die ekọ munim die wiase na ekọ munim die wiase na ekọ munim nam wiase saa te say sabio kusie bia o maame agya no kwa ya ase no nam saa onya bon bia no akohyem Chana ya mu sekusi o maame ewu agya no. Enti one nam sisi a one nam saa wu ase wu. Sisi a kwa asori ana ho kwa asori. Veronica appear to say Mama nkyerɛ wade bi. Now now let me show you something. I will say Oko America. The Americans have what we call the Statue of Liberty. Muamoti America, tine dune muamu America. You can attest to this fact. You have the Statue of Liberty, right? Now, ask yourself, say, who built the Statue of Liberty? It was the Freemasons who built the Statue of Liberty. The engineer behind the Statue of Liberty. The engineer behind the Statue of Liberty, Mr. Frederick. Mr. Frederick is a Freemason. And he built the Statue of Liberty in America. Now, the Statue of Liberty, what was the idea behind the Statue of Liberty? Now, you can obi oha onima de kodie. Mami nkyerɛ wade. Mami nkyerɛ wade. The Statue of Liberty, ebi a onima de kodie. Me patcho me nkyerɛ wade. Enuni. We na me kan. Me patcho we ya. So we the Statue of Liberty we. The Statue of Liberty onini we a Freemason phone is here. Do you see no ni? Sakwa we ni see. We ni see the Statue of Liberty. We enuni. Sakwa we a Freemason ni e France. France e hono free. We a Freemason ni Freemason for Grandmaster. Onuni. Ono me collaborate here. And see sadie we the Statue of Liberty. Now, maybe kyerɛ wade bi. Hey, America for. Now, tienio, do you see no? Do you see the media channel? Statue of Liberty no. Me ka ho abakosem kito bi akyerɛ. Frederick Auguste Bartholdi. They be doing the picture to mine. Your friend is Frederick Auguste Bartholdi. Only see now. Frederick became a Freemason in 1875. 1875, no be a Freemason member. Now, our Mason be obey no Alsace Lorraine Lodge in Paris. A honor member. Omu initiate no ena odi besi yes adewe. Now the question is sa image no hwanya. Now in the Roman history na omusom Lucifer. Roman for no omusom Lucifer mechanical Omo nsu nyame bia nye Jacob tumfo no so no Roman fo ankasa de omadinya kese power asase wesu Roman Lucifer na Queen of Heaven nemom enye nyame enye Jacob tumfo omo nsu Jacob tumfo omo sum Queen of Heaven ana say Lucifer. Now na satam no Roman Empire na Lucifer aye no ho say oba and almost someone. It will catch the Roman painful and say, what the Fahudie and the Diabreo. So what you say? It is how Fahudie na, or Diabreo. wa mo fa ahodie omo timi ye de omo pe, they can do everything. Na ono na what tie ono Roman Empire na chi ama omo akọ eko omo di nkunim bebrebe enti omo nyame no enti e ba se omo ye bibi di ahye na nimonyam no omo bagi ni din ana omo frɛ no Libertas, and I said liberty, the statue of liberty. Now, sa statue of liberty, a Roman goddess, TNU, your friend Libertas, and I said liberty, brofun, or a Roman goddess, and a Roman for one summon, a cherry petite man. Now, Frederick, obey a grandmaster. Adenti na wo kosi saade we New York abonten no the statue of liberty no adenti na wan si cross say yampa say America man no for nyankopon ani Kristo Yesu ampa adenti na wan si cross and fancy wo wan si cross and fancy wo because enye nyame no omosom no omo hohom a Roman Empire no any ewiasefo nyina asom no na mo ya we say ocean inside Bible say or a light bringer. Sa light bringer and the crown. I mean sure what be. Sa light bringer any. O kind Bible she papa nensa. O kind Bible. Enuni. Light barrier enuni. Light barrier enuni. We enti mu amo you can do research on your own and ask whom the Statue of Liberty was molded after. They will tell you that it was molded after a goddess in Rome called the Goddess of Liberty. Now the question I have is, why the Goddess of Liberty and not anything like cross? You would think it is Ashera. It is not Ashera. It is Lucifer because of this. This is the light bringer. This is the weapon that God gave it to Lucifer, the light bringer, to deceive the world. You see? Now, this is the man who built this. This man built this. This man here, check it. Frederick was a grandmaster in Freemason. So, the question is, maybe so. I didn't know who pay bibi. I didn't know who pay bibi. When also omoye. And ya build this idea when you be in a plain sight. But unhu. So obekaya, the early beginning of this year, me catch you say. Pope no obebie portals bi. Mo shame no, you can attest to what I'm saying. Me catch them say Pope no oba bebie portals bi. Ne kasa portals eye kwan obebie kwan bi ato ho e wo wiase. Na ade nyame beye de nyame de eye pa. I will say Roman Empire no ensemhunu no kwase asem omudi. Watimi akobie spiritual portal ena walenke asase su to asamado ena demons omo strong na omo ewa asamado wa invoke wo omo sen ko mu mfra asamado ko metu nhye nipa so ene enhyiran kenyame the first portal na obie ye no demon no free mu buy no ono pope no striking or requesting for the kidney. And then on say when your kidney failure or you are locking it down. Now, senka spirit no anyere ne pampia. Enka ene atorenchem bebe wiase. Ene pope ne te wa. Or say demons ahohomoni bi twe no pese omde ne kwa asamado. Go to the Catholic site. Roman Catholic Church and go to their official site, you see what the Pope is saying. It says there are some demons who wants to take him to TNA. Go to the Roman Catholic site. You see the official sayings of Pope claiming say demons from the underworld wants to take him there. And where did they come from? This demon came directly from the portals that the Father opened. Yes, Tinedu says, what's the secret behind the hands in their coat? In which coat? You see, so they are deceiving you people. They know what they are doing. They know the forces of darkness rules the world. And oh no, we are Church of Pentecost ni, we are Assemblies of God ni, we are CAC ni, asori bi awuko bi aro. Unim de enti ame OPATAFUOR manimro. Asori bi awuko bi awon se manimro. We are Anglican ni, we are Roman ni, me manimbre oda. Mani so mbre oda. And I mean can say jarwa asori ne bra ma asori. Enti emefa me ho time. Ni manimbre oda. De enti manimbre one say Wawurade na wo kan wa asole dem ho nyina no Bible na wo sori a wo say Freemason fo nye papa wo ye bonsam no why na de ma all the Bibles used by the Church of Pentecost worldwide, is it not King James? Is it not NIV? Is it not concordance? Is it not Dake's annotated? All this Bible are influenced by the King James version. And King James was a Freemasonry, a grandmaster. So what has Church of Pentecost got to do with the items of a Freemason or a grandmaster? If you people claim that the Freemasons are not from God, nti me mani mbre sofu bia organa ha, me mani embre sofu bia organa ha, me mani mbre sofu bia ene mani mbre church member bia. Nti na me ejigami anam ato asori, me ejigami anam ato asori, me to asori me mfa ho koto collection ma osofo. At the end of the day rubo hu awie. Go to your church. Bible ben SDF for you. Bible ben and SDF for you. And you Freemason Bible na. Na obi a mo gina en solid them. E kaseti a o mo say o mo nye papa. O mo ye Occult for Freemason for nye papa. Asofo ni bi kura de. Jimi o ma jimi de. Tutuo ba ko pay. Yeti abonsam so yeti abonsam ye huri yakosoro esoro eye uhuri kosoro etutuo baako eye de obeye nyina wie de wo se wonya na wo tutuo no ono na wasa akofa the Bible. And then how does this make sense? Sister, don't deceive yourself. My brother, don't deceive yourself. All and sundry are being controlled by the Freemasons. The Statue of Liberty. Go and check the striking resemblance between the Statue of Liberty and the statue of Lucifer. Go and check it. The statue of Lucifer, when they designed it, they brought the statue of Lucifer in a church. Go and check it. Why is it supposed to be so? Enunti the Statue of Liberty. If you are a good researcher, go and check it. The Statue of Liberty and the statue of Lucifer. Go and check the striking resemblance among the two. So you could see clearly that it is Lucifer they have removed and planted at that place. and all and sundry will bow to the God of this world. And the God of this world is Lucifer. Lucifer appeared to Jesus and told Jesus that unless you bow to me or else. He says, unless you bow to me. Lucifer appeared to Jesus and said, unless you bow to me or else, you will never have a taste of the luxuries of this world. So everybody is running to bow to secret society. Churches are running to secret societies. Kingdoms are running to secret societies because they can't stand alone. The secret society have become so powerful, not because of anything. It's because some of the pastors, not all of them, I respect pastors, some of them, they have joined hands with them. And those who have decided not to join hands with them, they are also ignorant. And they are being controlled and fooled by those who have joined hands with the secret societies in controlling the world. The so-called pastors, they have, you see, sometimes when you sit down and give it a thought about what is happening, how can you stand in the church that belongs to God claiming that Freemasons are evil, and yet you go ahead and carry their books, you read from their books to preach to your members? How does this sound? Does it make sense? You claim OPATAFUOR is evil, but yet when I'm doing something, you partake in it. How does this sound? You go out there and tell people that these people are evil. The Freemasons are evil. I'm not saying they are evil, but you people are saying they are evil. And yet you have their King James version of the Bible in your church, on your altar. It is very dangerous to follow a man who cannot read and write, claiming to be an evangelist or whatever. Under whose feet did you stand? Who taught you? Who taught you? You see, somebody just wrote under the comment. He says, I love big women. Your head, what? Right there at the comment section, he says, I love big women. Somebody wrote at the comment section, you love big women, eh? God bless you for that. So, big ups to you all, you know. Hey. Oh, leave him. Let him continue loving big women. It's an achievement. But kindly remember what happened to Samson, so that you live at peace with everybody. If you understand what I'm saying. So today happens to be Sunday. Catch me same time on Tuesday, exactly 8 o'clock p.m. And then on Thursdays, on Hey TV USA, go there and give us a thumbs of subscription and click on the notification bell so that when we upload a new video, you will certainly be notified. Go there. Go to Hey TV USA and subscribe. Tino du jano wa no no a newcomer or no nimbedu on nam kra. So you see, they have made you to believe that I am satanic, and I love being satanic. If what I'm doing makes me a demon, if what I'm doing makes me a satanic agent, I love it. I'll continue to become satanic. If what I'm doing makes me a satanic, a demon, a Luciferian, I'll continue doing it. I love being satanic. I love being Luciferian. In this end time, one thing that I've realized is that the truth, it is hidden in plain sight. In this end time, the truth is hidden in plain sight. When it to pass, say obi ebisa say one wine and namwa. Say me need the senior grandmaster OPATAFUOR enam. Ombisa say who is here? We say the grandmaster who has killed 4,000 people. the grandmaster who drinks blood. He drinks the blood of an elephant mixed with 6 months born baby, right? When they ask you, tell them that since they have already demonized me, tell them that you have befriended OPATAFUOR. OPATAFUOR is my friend. Is my great grimory, a grandmaster. Oh, mechiamu America for mechiamu nyina. Why? One of the biggest grandmaster alive. Oh yes, if you understand what I'm saying. Catch me live on Hey TV USA. If you haven't subscribed, go there and give us. Koko subscribe. Ko Hey TV. Ko subscribe. Obo Hey HAY. With the TV now the USA. Atoso. Huh? Shade am chawade. Huh? I'm in chawade. Hey TV for. Mr. Munko Hey TV. Obo Hey TV na. Obo hu BBC. Who BBC oh Hey TV ko Hey TV and now the obo Hey now the TV is so now the USA as so why na me enti minia mentan na eya na mo ho omobo ewiase nyina obi a wo de wo joining be any a prominent person. You see, recently, when they were doing the vetting, the ministerial vetting, you see how people were being exposed. They walk in the society with an innocent faces, thinking they are Pentecostals or Orthodox or charismatic members. But only for you people to discover that majority of them are Masons, right? Majority of them are Masons and they are part of secret societies. Yes. Omunyina, omu a part of it. And so when na mo a wadwen say we mu de. Omu de omu ni mu hwie, omu ye nyame omu kɔ asɔre, omu boa anya asɔre bia na omu kɔ. Nya sorry bia na omukọ. Nya sorry bia na omukọ. Omu nyina omu ye members. But oma sheda na oma ye musa to make you people believe say they are Christians. It's because if they don't behave that way, you might demonize or stigmatize them in the society, and when they come to you, you no vote for them. And they know they are the ones who have fooled you people. Me maintain your massive. I didn't know between your menacia, your body dria then young. Now, when you say, I know dear children to me. Do what do someone to ample or say, oh, protection. That's all protection. Most of you people, let me make this clear to you people. Baby, most of me Bible no mean chiremo. The entire amoka mean fimu. The entire amoka mean fimu. The entire amoka Bible na mean fimu. No, I mean chiremo there. Bible no original one na me one enti say momo de na ye di nkan compile e de amamu no meme de no is in scrolls enti age say ye compile ni nyina na me de amamu right eno na afa ne ye pe eho ombe ye sa adwuma no emu abrofo ene ade a ombe type no aye typeset na aye bibia ansa na printing it out to said here the Church of England for actual a Bible the book of Mormon latter day saint for latter day saint for more actual Bible mo de na mo no sanity the omo pe no mo yi omo de na omo nyina e Freemason for omo sorry no njina o kan ya me feel because me de na ma wa onya enu nti nyame ya aduma ebehia bye bye mpa se ndia me koda ikofia koda bye bye